What's going on YouTube? So we're back at it again with another vlog. So if you don't already know, I'm Antonio.
I'm Joel.
And we're
Cattle Performance.
So today on today's vlog, we're gonna do a detailing just on the engine bay, just to clean up the engine bay, just to try to make the engine bay look cleaner and make the car look, you know, tip-top shape, so you know it looks better. And keep working on it. So what we're gonna do today is just kind of just clean it up. This is the engine bay.
Just spray it down, make it look clean, get all the grease out of there and gunk.
Yeah, so we ended up buying a degreaser. I don't know where the degreaser is. You want to show her?
Yeah, it's just simple, super clean, nothing crazy.
Yeah, you can get it at your local.
We got this one at Lowe's, but you can go to Home Depot or probably AutoZone.
Yeah, so we're just gonna spray it down, clean the engine bay.
Spray it down with the pressure washer, and that's pretty much it.
And then do a little like montage, a little video clip for you guys. So let's get to it and let's get cleaning. All right, guys.
Pretty much the goal for this car is to have a nice daily driven car that's pretty much show car worthy. Our next step is fixing the camber that it has, installing some new rims and doing alignment, and pretty much go from there.
So we're also gonna paint the car. We also wanna do like a wrap to the car.
We still haven't decided yet, but
yeah,
eventually we'll think about it and see what we want to do.
Yeah, because these 240s usually have like a crazy color, usually like a crazy wrap. So we're thinking about doing that to the car. It has a Zenke front end right now.
We're thinking of keeping that the same. We're just gonna restore the headlights, add a lip,
change the wheels and stuff, do some side skirts as well, and we'll keep you posted on what we're gonna do with that. Okay. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. We just wanted to kind of update you guys on how the car looks, what our future plans are. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. You know, we're new to YouTube, so I hope you guys like our videos.
If you have any questions or comments, just leave them
on the comments. And make sure to
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Fuck!
Let's restart the... If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them on the comment section. We'll try to get to you guys.
Alright, cool. So that's Cattle Performance signing out.
Bye.